Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We are here for an update for weeks 13, 14, and 15. So they've got a lot of cool stuff down there at the Liquidation Station, as you can see. And so we're going to give you a total numbers update on what exactly has been selling those weeks on our little island kiosk. So this is just a tour of the store. They have a lot of things over at the store. They've got household items and cups and lots of gift ideas, different things like that. Star Wars memorabilia and various different things. I know that they have got Halloween costumes there now, and they've also got some cool clothing and things like that, but just lots of different things available at the store. And so just giving you a glimpse, these are some of these things may still be there. They have lots of toys available, and they change out their inventory regularly. And so just make sure that you pop in there all the time. So the location of this store is in New Baden, N-E-W-B-A-D-E-N, Illinois, which is exactly about 30 minutes straight east of St. Louis, from the arch there, right up Highway 64. So if you want to check it out, I definitely would say go ahead and check out the Liquidation Station. Yes, you'll see some of the things that we have, but they have lots of things that you would be interested in as well. They also do have a website. All of that information is listed down in the description below on this video. So it is under Karz Recycling or Liquidation Station. You can also contact Robin and say, hey, do you have any of these kinds of things? So they have lots of new with tags Target items, and so you can always check that out. If you are looking for anything holiday related, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, they have got it all. And storage options here, really cool stuff. These pumpkins are super cute. They've also got lots of bedding. So if you love the Target style bedding, they usually have like comforters that are normally in the hundreds of dollars for a whole comforter set. There's some Christmas trees there. So if you need a new Christmas tree, this is definitely the place to get it. You're never going to find one cheaper than what they're selling it for. But anyway, I was talking about comforters. So if you're looking for a comforter, they usually have them priced dramatically lower than what you would pay at a typical Target store, and they're like the Madison Park kind. Here's a bunch of stuff for if you want to get rid of the buggies around your home. You got some Raid and some mouse traps and all that fun stuff. So just lots of different toys, lots of different things that you can use. A great place to go for gift ideas, stocking stuffers, things like that are coming up. So check out the Liquidation Station. We have just restocked our shelf, and just a lot of the CSS pallets that we have gotten, those things, we're going to be bringing a lot of that kind of stuff down to the store. So we're really hoping to move some of those, like some of our hair dryer brushes that we just got in, and they have tons of backpacks and stuff to be used at all times of the year. So if you ever are back to school shopping, or maybe you do like Operation Christmas Child boxes for Christmas time, like the Samaritan's Purse boxes, this would be a great place to go shopping for some of the items for that kind of thing. Or if you want to buy Christmas presents for maybe a family in need, this is a great place to be able to get more bang for your buck because of all the extra things that they have available. So check out the Liquidation Station. You'll love everything there. And so we also, from our CSS pallets, we've got lots of new things that we'll be adding to our little location kiosk. I don't have that currently listed on this video, but we'll be restocking the shelves in the next couple of days down there. We sold a ton of toys, like we sold out of all of our Minecraft stationery sets down there, and we sold out a lot. We had the Star Wars flasks, like the little water bottle flask with the R2-D2 on it, and the Stormtroopers, those sold out. So we had quite a few items recently sell out, and so we'll be restocking the shelves a whole bunch. So they always have tons of notebooks and writing utensils and stationery, and I don't know about you, but you always need this kind of stuff in your house. My kids usually need a restock about halfway through the year of the of a lot of the folders. Like my kids' folders fall apart about halfway through the year, and so they usually keep their school supplies available all year long. So this is a good idea to be able to check those out and be able to restock your kids' stuff. I do know that they recently have tons of new shoes in stock, and so you can check out those and be able to get your kids some new shoes at discounted prices, because I usually have to buy shoes for my kids about halfway through the year as well, because they just kind of run them ragged. Except for my girls, because they have 5 million pairs of shoes and they wear a different pair every day. But my son definitely has to get a new pair of shoes right around the Christmas time. So hopefully you are enjoying this tour. They have lots of different things. Like I said, they switch out their stock pretty regularly. So they've got lamps and all sorts of fun things. So let's go ahead and check out some of our numbers and what we've got on our stuff, as far as they've got a bunch more stuff over here. This is where all their clothing and candy and other things are available here at the liquidation station. But let's go ahead and check out week 13, 14, and 15 and how did we do.
We haven't done a numbers report in a while from the store down in New Baden, the liquidation station, and I'll probably switch to doing them once a month to give you kind of an overall perspective of what's happening. You saw the little kiosk that we have down there, the little station that we have, Island I think it's called, the shelves that we have. But each week we're making money, and that's great. Robin and Jerry are so great to work with us down there too. So here is week 13. Week 13, I always break it down to food, toys, and miscellaneous. So in week 13, food, we sold 1 bag of Jelly Bellies for $2.99. So big money there. And then we had toy sales, quite a few different toy sales, but nothing over $7.99. A lot of cheaper little tchotchke toys, if you will, and sold them for a grand total of $32.92. And then our miscellaneous, we had 4 different miscellaneous items sell. $14.99 was the highest price on that, all the way down to $3.99. And that came to a total of $46.96. So not a huge amount of money, but consistent sellers. And we're making good money on them. If we buy them from a wholesaler or liquidator, we've got money to be able to make up on them. So week 13 totals was $82.87. $82.87. Week 14 was a pretty decent week for us, actually. Normally we're right around the $100 mark. It seems to be where we normally settle in for the week. Week 14 was much better. Week 14 food sales was 1 bag of popcorn for $5.49. And then we had toy sales. Toy sales were a total of $82.91. So the big seller there that week was the middle of August. I know we're behind. It was the middle of August, and we had somebody come in and buy 7 mermaid tails. So that was kind of like towards the end of, going to the pool and whatnot, but that was great. Those 7 tails came to $69.93, so that was great. And then miscellaneous sales, we had quite a few miscellaneous sales also. That totaled $63.94. So the week 14's total sales were $152.34. So $152.34. So really good. If our average is about $100 a week in sales, this was far better, of course, at $152.34. And then week 15, we're kind of back to our normal, if you will, and maybe slightly under. Food sales for the week 15 were $37.44. We had quite a few more bags of popcorn sale that week. Toy sales were $22.96. And miscellaneous, we only had 2 things sell for miscellaneous for $18.98. For a grand total of $79.38. So in September, we put down quite a few more different items, restocked some things that we were running out of. So Lord willing, you'll see those numbers pop up there. So week 15 was $79.38.
Thanks for watching our sales update. Make sure you check everything out at the liquidation station. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.